yet another episode of Project Talk, where PropTiger connects viewers to the industry and to their dream home. I'm Sneha Sharon, your host for the day, and we have representatives from Sugam Homes today with us today. Mr. Abhijit Das is VP Sales, Key Projects at Sugam Homes. Welcome.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Deepra Moitra is Manager Sales at Sugam Homes. Welcome.
Hi, thank you.
And from PropTiger, we have the city head for Kolkata, Mr. Chetan Jaiswal. Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome, panelists. I'm sure we're looking forward to an insightful discussion today. We've already received a lot of questions, but before we begin, I'd request Mr. Das and Mr. Jaiswal to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies they're representing.
Just to give you a brief idea about Sugam Homes, we have been in development business in eastern part of India for over 2 decades now, and we have got over like 20 projects which we have delivered across the city. And we were primarily into premium segment development, and now we are diversifying into MIG housing as well. In fact, we've got some fabulous launches which are lined up across different segments. But the projects which we are focusing at today is one of our premium offerings, and it's in a premium location like Tollygunge and off Alipur, off New Alipur. So that's about it, and looking forward to it.
Thank you, Mr. Das. Mr. Jaiswal.
Just to give you a brief background of PropTiger. PropTiger is a real estate advisory firm, and we have been in operation since 2011. We are present in all the major metros of the country. So what we do is we basically help our customers identify, shortlist, and finalize properties. We also help them in getting their documentation done. We help them in getting bank loans also. During our journey since 2011, we have been associated with more than 25,000 happy families.
Thank you, Mr. Jaiswal. So, well, it's now time to see a small video that talks about Sugam Moria, the project in focus today, in a nutshell, and the location potential. truly luxurious life is waiting home buyers at Sugam Moria. I'm sure our viewers are waiting for more information on this project and what it offers. So we'll head straight to the questions now. My first question is for you, Mr. Jaiswal. How is the real estate market faring currently? And what has been the repercussions due to COVID-19?
The real estate market is getting better with every passing day. What has happened is people have realized that home is the safest place to be in. So people who are staying on rent, they are wanting to buy a house. People who are staying in 2 BHK, they are wanting to upgrade themselves and move into 3 BHK for the simple reason that working from home is the new way of working. So they are looking for privacy, wherein they can concentrate and they can work. So the repercussions of COVID on real estate initially they were obviously when this everything started there were problems, but now it's getting better with every passing day.
Will you also help us understand which segment of property is most popular in the Kolkata market, and do you think this trend will continue, Mr. Jaiswal?
So what has happened is like people are now looking for property wherein they can get the position within between 6 months to 2 years. That's the duration that they are looking at. And I feel for next 6 to 7 months at least, this trend is going to continue. This is what our feel is.
Now, I'd like both the developer representative and Mr. Jaiswal to answer this. Now, digital is the way ahead. So if we talk of the digital shift in property buying on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate the sector in Kolkata?
So I'll answer first. So in a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I'm going to rate it at 7. And the trend is improving. What has happened is like especially for tech companies like us, uh, our team, and we are basically a tech company. My guys are equipped, so we are reaching their home with the help of technology. We are helping them in, as I mentioned, shortlisting, identifying, and finalizing properties. So they don't have to come out. So whatever queries that they have, we solve it digitally with the help of tech. And this trend is improving, and that's what people have realized. That's the reason why more of video calls, more of Zoom calls, which is happening.
Thank you. Team Sugam, can you answer that, please?
See, generally all the media platforms, they contribute their own share to the overall, dynamics of the sales. However, if you see off late in the last like couple of years, the trend has always been more inclined towards digital. Various entities have in fact, established themselves on this field. And if we look at COVID scenario, post-COVID scenario, at least as Sugam Homes, what we experienced is, almost like 85% plus of our sales were actually contributed from, in fact, they were totally managed online with, online digital tools, walkthroughs and everything. And, in fact, everything was digital about it. And the leads, the original sources were digital. And, sometimes these sources are mixed. I mean, the same source has got inquiries through multiple, platforms. But yeah, digital has definitely been a key breakthrough for the sales overall.
Thank you. Mr. Moitra, coming to you, can you help us understand the USPs of the project Sugam Moria?
Yeah, thank you. So for Sugam Moria, this is a luxury property in South Kolkata, and the Tollygunge is the most convenient location of the of South Kolkata for people who want to go for their work in old CBDs like Central Avenues, Esplanade, Bada Bazaar, these areas. So this project is located such a way people can commute easily to their workplace regularly. This is one USP. If I come inside the property, another USP is we have the largest land area over here. This is 5.2 acres, and we have utilizing only 20% of the land as ground coverage. Entire 80% of land is open and kept for outdoor amenities, along with a 30 bigha of water body inside it. And the 20,000 square feet club in close vicinities is not available right now. And that club is hosting all lifestyle amenities and facilities a customer can look for in this budget segment. These are the USPs. Along with that, If you go inside our apartment, all the apartments are three-side open and highly ventilated apartments with all modern fixtures, and ACs will be installed in the apartment. Bedroom sizes are different than current trends. Like we are giving much larger bedrooms than normal apartments, are providing in the normal projects are providing. So these are the USPs which can, attract customers for a better living.
Thank you. Mr. Das, would you help us understand who is your target audience and what is the age group of this target audience? Mr. Jaiswal, I'd also like you to talk about it. What is the popular age of buyers in Kolkata right now? But beginning with Mr. Das.
We talk about this project in specific. The demographics of these clients are generally like age group of 38 plus, and primarily professional services or business profile. There are a lot of marine merchant navy guys who are booked with us, quite a few actually, and doctors, a few celebrities as well, and we have it's primarily a mix of these. And if you look at in terms of the people who are from the professional, like the employment, the salaried class, it's usually the top end guys, like who are at senior levels in respective organizations. They have booked over here. But generally in the age group of 38 to 62, 65, when it comes to business community, that's the buyer profile.
Thank you. Mr. Jaiswal.
So, as rightly mentioned by Mr. Das, what we have seen is 33, 34 and above till 60, 65. That's the age group who are predominantly looking for properties, and their inquiry is much, much, much higher.
Now it's time to move to the project presentation. May I request Team Sugam to walk us through the project presentation?
Yeah. So this is our site area, site plan. As I mentioned, it is entire 5.2 acres of land, 316 kata in size. And we have in phase one only 4 towers on it, along with all the amenities and the clubhouse. So our eastern part is our main entry, and BL Shah Road, main access road, is on the eastern part. And in the eastern part, if you draw a straight line of 300 meters, the lush greenery of Tollygunge Club golf course is here. So most of our apartments facing this side and the north side will have a view of the golf course, which is an uninterrupted greenery. So from the entry point, if you consider, we have 2 towers of G plus 19 story. These towers will have 3 BHKs, all 3 BHK flats, and we have 4 apartments in each floor with 2 lifts, passenger lifts, 1 service lift. And in between these 2 towers, first A3 and A4, we have our clubhouse. This is a 20,000 square feet clubhouse hosting all the modern amenities and facilities like indoor games room, gym, community hall of about 2,000 square feet, swimming pool on the podium level, indoor games room, yoga deck. Our multi-purpose court is indoor and AC, which is normally in other places. It is kept outdoor, but this is considering Kolkata's climate, this is not usable that way. So we decided to make it indoor and AC. Coming forward to the middle portion of the project, the entire central area will have this 30 kata of land as natural pond, which will be beautified and manicured for the residents. And beside the water body, we have a patch of open air amenities like jogging track, kids play area, sitting cabanas for senior citizens, open air yoga deck on the which will be floating on the water body, and cycling track. These will be available along with the water body. We have gardenings, different types of gardenings like fragrance court, food reflexology pathways. These things will add value to residents' residents' lifestyle and healthy living. Beside the what beside the club, there is a open air party lawn along with barbecue area, and other side, the northeastern corner of the project will have a temple. All the rooftops will be converted into garden barbecue spots, and we'll have a open air gym on the rooftop. May now see the floor plan, typical floor plan. Next one, please. Yeah, so this is a typical floor plan of G plus 19 story towers, A3 and A4. Those are identically same towers. So we have two size variants. One is type A and B are 1100 square feet. Sizes vary from 1100 square feet to 1101 depending upon the open terraces. So one more USP of this project is we have open terraces with all the apartments inside the project. So with 3 BHK, we have about 41, 42, 44 square feet open terraces along with the apartment. So size of the apartment varies the total chargeable area. So here customer can get 920 square feet carpet area, excluding the terraces and service balcony. Service balcony is the thing which is available with every apartment, and that's accessible through kitchen. So we'll have water inlet and outlet provisions with the service balcony for washing purposes, so that your open terrace will be kept only for your relaxation and leisure. So as we discussed about the bedroom sizes, you can see in A and B type both the flats. The bedroom size of the master bedroom is about 144 square feet. Another bedroom is 140 square feet. So this is kind of unusual in Kolkata market in this segment. Such bedroom sizes are not provided. We are doing it. And another size we have 1038 square feet. Here you can see C and D type apartments. There are 887 square feet of carpet area, again excluding service balcony and terraces. You can get, and that's almost pretty identical. Slight difference of the layout is there. These are two size variant of 3 BHKs we have.
I believe there's some problem with D plus connectivity.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think I'll just take over while Dipro is trying to connect. This these are the four-bedroom types now we are on. Sorry, we are still on A3. Can we move to Dipro? Are you done with the 3 BHK description, or
Yes,
we
we
want
are
to?
done with 3 BHK discussion. Let us just take our visitors through our 4 BHK flats. Can you see the 4 BHK layout, please? B1 and B2. Yeah, yeah, thank you. So as you can see, this is our 4 BHK towers. These are actually two towers, B1 and B2. Those are adjoint towers, but their lobby will be separate and rooftop will be common. Rooftop will be joined, and rooftop has been converted into an open air gym, a barbecue corner, a toddler's play area, and a sitting area. So as we can see, the sizes of 4 BHKs are starting from 1774 square feet in built up, and we have up till 1791 square feet in built up as 4 BHK flats. These are all 4 BHK, 3 toilets, and the servants' quarter with separate servants' toilet is integrated in the site. As you can see, this is, eastern part has got 2 apartments and western part has got 2 apartments. The south of south of all these 4 BHK flats will have a view of our, as I mentioned, 1.5 bighas of central pond. These all apartments will have a view of it, and the opposite side will have a clear view of the city line, and along with the uh, diagonal golf course view. You can see the bedroom sizes here. This is more than 180 square feet, the master bedroom, excluding the dress area, walk-in closet area, wardrobe spaces, and the toilet. So clear height of these flats are 11 feet clear, finished floor to ceiling, which is not available in this market anywhere. Normally, you will get 9.5 feet, 10 feet of clear height in every flat. For a 3 BHK, we have 10.5 feet of clear height. For a 4 BHK, we have 11 feet of clear height. And the balconies, the size of open terraces you are getting in this apartment with these apartments are like 170 to 190 square feet of open terraces are available with every apartment, which itself give you a feel of a penthouse of every apartment. So as you can see, these are triple height open terraces. Position of terraces change with each each floor. You go high. So these are for 5th, 8th, 11th, 14th, and 17th floor. We have another variant of flat. Sizes will be same. Here you can get about 1550 square feet of carpet area, excluding the terrace and the service balcony.
Now, another thing in these projects is, just to add, Dipro, in case of buyers who are seeking, larger configurations, we can even, we have got these pre-developed plans where, we can merge and get you a duplex with, 2-3 BHK combinations, or if you want a larger unit, then we can even work out a 2-4 BHK combination, vertically aligning them. So that's another option available.
Right. So here you can have 5 BHK or 7 BHK duplex as well. Those are pre-planned drawings. Customers who are interested for modified units can have apartment here.
Thank you. We'll quickly take up the audience questions that we're getting. I'll begin with you. Will there be some discounts if I plan to buy within the next 2 months? This is a question from Rupa Goswami. I'd like to begin with Team Sugam.
We are already running some sort of campaign right now, which was, during the COVID times, it was to promote our existing, buyers who are prospects to really close the deals. And we are glad to extend it till the end of this month to, all the prospective buyers. So what we are offering is, right now what clients are looking at least what we have estimated or, arrived at, is that, clients are seeking timelines for making their immediate payment commitments, which is why we are okay to allow them a extended period of up to about 90 days to clear out the immediate expected outgoing which is expected on these bookings. And we are also offering them a token discount to close their transactions at this moment.
Yes, Chandana Banik asking us, what does CRISIL 6-star rating mean? What are its benefits for a buyer?
Okay. See, basically, as individual buyers, it's not possible for us because, we are not equipped with that knowledge to really evaluate a project, any real estate project. So that's where the role of these independent agencies come in. CRISIL is basically part of S&P, Standards and Poor's, which is a Fortune 500 entity in US. and it's a sister concern of S&P. So this is an agency which does evaluation of real estate projects and various other things. And accordingly, there is a rating scale of 0 to 7, 0 being poor and 7 being the highest. So this project, which is these ratings are based on the transparency, accounting practices, quality practices, and also in terms of market benchmarking of various projects. So CRISIL has rated this project a 6-star rating, which is fantastic. In fact, I think in that region, we are exceptional because we have achieved this rating. There is nobody else with this sort of rating. So that talks about the quality, the background of the developer consortium who are developing this project. So that gives you assurance to a buyer that the project is healthy, and it's the delivery timelines, everything is being adhered to, everything is fine. So that's the sort of assurance which the buyers get.
Thank you. Rakesh Ghosh is asking us, are these units Vastu compliant?
Pro, you want to answer that? You're the Vastu expert.
So Vastu is for a customer. Vastu is a very relative thing for each and every second customers. So yes, these are kind of Vastu compliant. We have tried to keep them as much as possible. But yeah, as you know, in a complex or in a multi-storied building, all compliances cannot be maintained. But we have tried our level best.
Okay. G. Mittal is asking us, are there extra charges for the club membership?
Well, there is one extra charge for club membership, which is one-time charge. And the regular club usage charges will be along with the customers or the residents' monthly maintenance charges.
Okay. We'll move on to the next question, which is coming in from Karun Nautiyal, who's asking, how does your referral scheme work? If I go in for a group booking, what price benefits can I expect?
The referral scheme which we have in place, it rewards both the parties, in the sense the person who is referring is also rewarded, and the one who got referred is also benefited. So there is a percentage discount to the buyer who has been referred, and of course the person who is referring gets the benefit as well. And in terms of group bookings, see, we have a very, in terms of pricing, we have a very transparent pricing strategy. So we do not solicit, various, negotiated discussions and, multiple prices for the same project. So when we offer the prices, it's pretty much the same. So whether it's like a single booking or multiple booking, it's the same price. And in fact, the price you get is like fantastic because the value you get for that is a super premium, basically.
Thank you. Looks like it's win-win for all home buyers. We'll move on to the next. What is the per square feet value of property in Tollygunge? How has the price movement been? I'd like both Mr. Das and Mr. Chetan Jaiswal to answer this.
Chetan, after you.
Okay, people who are aware of South Calcutta, the land parcel is not there, and whatever little land parcel which is there, the price is appreciating like anything. Especially if I have to talk about Sugam Maurya, this 5.2 acres land parcel, it's a huge land parcel, especially for South Calcutta, the area that we are in. And it's increasing with every quarter the prices are increasing in Tollygunge. Every quarter the prices are increasing, and it's going to increase because South Calcutta is like that.
In fact, just to add to that, how you understand, that the increase is really sustained or not is by seeing the inventory movement. Like if you talk about Maurya as an example, the project actually has 4 towers, of which we had originally opened 2 towers, one 4 BHK tower and one 3 BHK tower. And if you see the inventory in these 2 respective towers, these are like over 88-87% sold. So that tells you that within 1.5 years, if that's sort of inventory movement for the respective 2 towers, so that's like good movement, and we have had a good price escalation from the launch time till now.
Thank you. We'll move on to the next. This is a question coming in from Anjan Singh Gupta. I'm an NRI returning to my native place, Kolkata, for good. I wish to know more about this property. Would also need help with documentation. What is the profile of other buyers in this property? Team Sugam?
Yeah, thanks, Anjan. The profile of the buyers primarily it's business community, professionals, doctors, and as I mentioned one of the significant number of people are from merchant navy. That's one thing which we have really got hold of, and then uh, in terms of employed people, the salaried class, these are usually the top end guys who have booked here. See, because of the price range where a 3 BHK starts at roughly about 87 lakhs and a 4 BHK upward of 1.3, 1. I mean, in that range. So the segment of buyers, what we have got, the community, what you've got is pretty much homogeneous in that range.
Thank you. Mr. Jaiswal, Anjan also needs help with documentation. Do you think Prop Tiger can help him with that?
Yeah, we are there. We not only help them, shortlisting the unit that they are wanting to buy. We are there till the end, till the time they get possession. We help our clients in doing everything, each and every documentation that needs to be done till the time possession, they get the possession.
So Anjan, it's end-to-end assistance for you if you opt for Prop Tiger.
Yeah.
The next question comes in from Bikash Ghosh, who says, what facilities do you have for families with young children? I have 2 kids aged 3 and 10. Also, please tell me about security features in your project.
Yeah, so considering the amenities for all age groups inside this project, so for kids we have different types of play areas, toddlers play area, kids play area, and different points of the project, different sides of the project, so that people the kids don't have to gather in the same place, and they can use their play areas inside the club as well as in the open areas which we have. And in terms of securities, if you consider, we have all security measures starting from CCTV surveillance to video door phone, two-layered security deployment, main gate security services. Everything is highly secured. You can comfortably stay in our project with total security.
Thank you. We move on to the next. I'm a Tamilian born and raised in Kolkata. However, work took me to other cities. I wish to buy a small unit for my parents who are still in Kolkata. What are the amenities for senior citizens in Sugamodya? This is coming in from Benu Subramanian.
So different places for yoga, for their wellness, for working, separate work, safe and separate working bays are there. Different sitting cabanas are there for their leisure. So these kind of amenities are available for senior citizens, as well as they can use our home theater system. They use our indoor games room for their leisure. So everything is available for senior citizens as well.
Here's a question from Surajit Ghosh, who's asking, what is the status of availability right now since the project was launched a couple of years back?
See, as I mentioned earlier, in 2 of the towers, the one which was launched earlier, like for 3 BHK, 4 BHK, we have almost like about 87, 86% sold. However, we have got 2 more towers, one which faces the 3 BHK, which is tower A4, which faces the Tollygunge golf course. That's the view you get. That's another tower which is available right now, which is open. And also, we have 4 BHK tower which is available. So we have got roughly about, if we talk about these two towers which have been opened just about a few months ago, we still have about 60% plus inventory in these 2 towers. So there is plenty of option here. Plus, we are also open to customization in terms of within those specific parameters, of course, that if people want to upgrade to a duplex sort of an arrangement, we can definitely accommodate that.
Here's H.S. Gupta asking us, please tell me about capital appreciation in the next 5 years. I'm an investor.
So I'll just answer this question. So if you see in this particular locality, Tollygunge in South Calcutta, appreciation is between 7 to 9%. And when I specifically talk about Sugam, they have given more than 8.5 to 9% odd appreciation in the last 1.5 years since the time they have launched. So you can very well see the kind of appreciation which is there.
Yes, Vincent Guharoy asking us, what will be the approximate maintenance charges for a 3 BHK unit?
So maintenance charge per square feet is 4.5 rupees on built up per square feet per month. So for a 3 BHK sized about 1,000 square feet in built up will be about 4,500 to 5.
Another question from Naitik Sen, how can PropTiger help me with shortlisting a suitable unit for me in this project? Can you help me fetch a good deal? Mr. Jaiswal.
Obviously, we'll not only we'll get in touch with the developers, we'll give them the inventory and we'll help them in shortlisting good units with the help of developers. That's where we come into picture, wherein we help our clients to get the best of the units at the best of the rates.
Now, Munmun Das is asking us, how is South Kolkata as an investment destination? Does this project comply with RERA rules?
So in Kolkata, you have to comply with HERA rules. All the projects which are there, all the bigger developers, they have to comply with HERA rules. And we, PropTiger as an organization, we are tied up with only those developers who comply by this rule. And if you talk about South Calcutta as a destination, we have already told that it's giving you an appreciation between 7 to 9%. That's the bare minimum. South Calcutta is one of the premium locality of Calcutta. So nothing beats it.
Thank you. Rishikesh Barnik is asking us, what is the furnishing that will come along with this project?
Well, we are providing finished apartment, so there'll be no furnishing in any apartment. We'll provide finished apartment with all the utilities.
Okay. Aryaman Arjo is asking us, what has been the track record of Sugam? Team Sugam, would you like to answer that? Do we have Mr. Moitra and Mr. Das? Yeah.
Well, see, Sugam, as I mentioned in the beginning of the discussion, we have been in business for over 2 decades with over like 7,000 happy residents across our existing projects. We have projects which are under development right now. We have almost about 11 million square feet under development with another 3 project launches lined up. And I mean, if you understand the entire thing, and in fact, one of the key things, which is something we should understand, the CRISIL ratings also, as a group, it's a very low debt group, which is very essential in the current market for organizations to sustain. I mean, those which has got very high debts obviously will incur higher expenses, and sustainability becomes a question, which is where, this group is pretty much on the safer side, or at least that's how things were planned, so that, we don't end up in that situation in the first place. And in terms of overall projects, we've got healthy lineup, mostly joint ventures. So exposure is limited basically because of the equity partnership. So that looking at it overall, it's very stable that way.
Thank you. We have ISK Agarwal asking us, please tell me about the structural safety interior design of this property.
So we are using aluminium formwork, or in short, MY1 technology in this project, where we have no use of bricks or any flush blocks or anything. All the walls in this buildings are made of concrete, and will have rivets inside it. So simply, these buildings are more sustainable, and longevity-wise, they are better than other projects, other new constructions. So the whole new technology is strengthening the entire process.
Thank you. Now, with that, we have to wind up the webinar with a closing remark from all our panelists. Most often, we receive a question from our viewers who ask us about the time. Is it a good time to buy a property right now? I'd like you to put that in your closing remark and talk to our viewers. Starting with you, Mr. Das.
See, for home buyers, this is probably the best time to really go ahead and close transactions. because you're really getting the options which generally in a pre-COVID time you could not have imagined. So yeah, if you're seeking to close transactions, if you in fact look at the overall aspect, home loans like below 7%. I mean, just imagine the kind of money you're saving. So this is definitely the best time to go for it.
Thank you. Mr. Moitra, any closing remarks from your side?
Yeah, if you consider the current scenario for buying the property, so it's always good time to buy a property for us. And considering the current scenario, people who will understand as Mr. Jaiswal already mentioned, people will understand the necessity of buying home. If and this is for people who have already have a home, they will understand the necessity of upgrading the home, because work from home is a new trend right now, and this is safe as well. And going with the current bank interest rates, the offers float, run by builders, and the supports given by all the realtors, if you consider an aggregator or a builder. So this is the best time to buy a property to, sustain better.
Thank you. Mr. Jaiswal.
Yeah, most of the things have been told by Mr. Das and Mr. Moitra, and the thing that I would like to add is, in the present scenario, when you combine everything, the bank interest charges and these schemes that are being offered, the kind of facilities or everything that is being offered by the developer, it's a win-win situation for the buyer. And when people like us, that is PropTiger, we help our customers to get the best of the best deals. So this is actually the right time to buy.
Thank you. It was wonderful having Sugam Homes with us today. Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering all these queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. We hope to have answered some of your queries. Should you have any questions on Sugam Moria, our representatives will get back to you. You could also use our social media handles to drop in your questions. If you happen to miss any bit of this webinar, you could go back to our Facebook page and view a recording of it. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Take care.